your English by reading and listening stories on your YouTube channel A3 Stories. Please subscribe our channel and show your support. The Seagull and the Blue Whale. Once upon a time there has been a seagull who cherished a whale, and a whale who loved a seagull. The seagull cherished the whale's lovely smile. He loved the stylish manner she swam inside the sea. The whale cherished the quite white feathers of the seagull. She cherished to watch him as she glided via the sky. And they both loved to devour masses of little fish. In the summer, the seagull and the whale met inside the bay. They talked a lot. They pointed out the moon and the tides and ships on the ocean. The seagull told jokes and the whale laughed. The whale sang unhappy songs and the seagull cried. "Sooner or later you can come to the sea and meet my family," stated the whale. "And you may meet my friends on land," stated the seagull. It changed into all perfect. However, the International does not forestall spinning simply due to the fact a seagull and a whale fall in love. Summer became to fall, and fall became to wintry weather. The sea have become bloodless, and all of the whales sought hotter waters. "Include me to where the waters are hotter," stated the whale. "It is a awesome region. It's constantly warm, and there is lots of fish to devour." "I really like to devour fish," stated the seagull. "And I really like you. He'll observe you anywhere. But first train me how to be a whale." "So," said the whale, "comply with me," and she plunged into the water. "That is great," said the seagull, plunging into the water. He went deeper and deeper. "I'm swimming." "And what?" she stated, giggling. "I am a whale." However, soon he may want to not breathe, and gasping for breath he lowered back to the floor. She tried to swim over and over, but every time she gasped. "I do not think a seagull can grow to be a whale," said the seagull. "Come with me as an alternative." "I stay at the cliffs. It's a wonderful vicinity. It's warm and welcoming, and every morning you could see the solar upward push." "I love looking the solar upward push," said the whale. "And I like you. I'm able to observe you anywhere. However, first, train me the way to become a seagull." "So," stated the seagull, "observe me," and flapping his wings he commenced to fly in the sky. "You're pleasant," stated the whale. She closed her eyes tightly and started flapping her fins, just like the seagull did. He banged them increasingly more, up and down. Water splashed everywhere. "I'm flying," she stated, smiling. "I'm a seagull." However, whilst he opened his eyes, he realized he wasn't flying. She turned into nonetheless. Inside the water. She attempted to fly, over and over, but she couldn't. "I don't assume a whale can grow to be a seagull," said the whale. "You cannot fly, I cannot swim. In which are we able to move and stay collectively?" requested the seagull. "We are able to live right here, inside the waves," said the whale. However, the seagull shook his head lamentably. "You want swimming on the bottom of the sea," he said. "It's the component you want the maximum. You will never be happy right here. And you want flying and circling inside the sky," stated the whale. "It's the thing you like the maximum. You may never be satisfied here." After which, for the reason that seagull and the whale loved each other dearly, they stated goodbye. However, they by no means forgot every different. Each time the whale saw a seagull flying excessive within the sky, she thought of her seagull. She was hoping he changed into like that too. Glad in heaven. And each time the seagull noticed a whale diving into the ocean, he notion again to his whale, and he hoped she changed into like that too. Happy inside the ocean. Friends, this is the end of the story.
Thank you for watching A3 Stories. Please like and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon down below to get furthermore notification to our latest stories and videos. Stay safe and have fun. Bye bye.